મોદી નો ગાવ છે રે
ના મોદી ગાવ છે અમાર ભાઈ
Good afternoon guys, it's day 3 in Vadnagar and now we are off for some sightseeing. The first 2 days were relatively very chill and now we're going to see a lot of exciting places. I saw the making of manja. Manja is a cotton thread colored and coated with glass particles, mostly used during the kite festival of Makar Sankranti in India. This is the market of Vadnagar. This is the main market.
કેમ છો મજામાં શું નામ છે
સાદાબા બોલા બોલા બોલા
કેટલી ઉંમર છે
40 50
20 હશે 20
Okay, luckily Vav is here.
It's a step well actually wow means
The road was very nice.
good na so this is what I also saw for the first time આ કેટલા વાગે ખુલે છે ભાઈ કેમ બંધ
It's shut. Okay, he's giving us a way out.
go like that only so see there's a small gap see there is a gap here good some of us can pass
Are you serious?
Not from that, you have to climb above.
हाँ तो ठीक है चलो
How can you pass from this? This is impossible. It's almost like my hand. I can't pass from it.
yeah
Okay.
बोला उन्होंने ऐसे ही जाने का हाँ मेरे को बोला ऐसे ही जाना उन्होंने मुझे बोला पक्का ऐसे जाना you have to go like that only
Okay.
अरे है ना यार
हाँ, तो है तो
अरे
सही।
क्या यार हम लोग सच्ची पागल है
वो अंकल ने बताया.
हाँ कि बे नहीं आती जतो ना टूटी जैसे आप बाकी गया मेरे को
It's a lake extended by the lawn and the auditorium. So right now when you see it looks like a flat surface but there are steps here. Yeah. This is an auditorium set up at Tana Riri. Tana and Riri were two sisters who used to sing well. So in their memory they built this garden and in this garden they have a lot of bhajan functions. It's huge. Yes, it can easily accommodate about 1500 people. Good morning guys, it's the final day in Vadnagar and we have come to the Hatkeshwar Mahadev Mandir. It's one of the famous temples of Lord Shiva in Vadnagar and this place is really beautiful. The carvings here are so beautiful.
जैसे आप अभी राजस्थान में जाओगे ना तो आपको वहाँ पे हेरिटेज जैसे बिल्डिंग मिलेगी, बराबर। ऐसे ही यहाँ पे कल्चर है, गुजराती कल्चर है। तो अहमदाबाद में भी ऐसे अगर आपको शौक है तो आपको मजा आएगी।